Enya sema, yesi emma penkwasiafo. Akabema bi say, ani na ne na chinchima ha baby na new time way. Akabe odontia.
Boy na nga.
Akabe waste bisika wan, wo se ba ko bisia. Ebe jama. Bra, me nzi be drop e. Na akabema bi say de ka me oba ti se me. Akabe ko fa sa ba ma we.
50,000 Ghana cedi 500 million. Is ka ketwa. Hey.
Me say o papa, wa from bisika ma me am bisina bold ya say, me bomb mo bisa for munza.
Hello family, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Tanaya Prince and you are welcome to Daily Clout. Even though you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe before we continue. Okay, so guys, let's go straight into the story. Because per highway needs to per highway TikTok, and that's why you're there. That's why you're Alewa. Well, dear Alewa, you know how Alewa is sweet. Yeah, so you go TikTok, there is this story, this one, let's see, is it dope? This kind of sad, broken heart story where is trending on Twitter. And yeah, I said it's wow. Okay, so there is this, there is cute melody then young Dawn. Okay, so guys, this is the story. So is this girl no a nurse? Yeah, she be nurse where she dey work for the government. But the only guy we was so like a normal videos where they go on TikTok. So I'm TikTok there when they find love and it's your woman end that. But breaking hearts in the Mbappe. When they were going to find the love, they didn't tell us anything no. But breaking hearts in the Mbappe from the between they want us to cry with them. Okay, so this cute melody no, she's a government worker. So none in the boy win a war. So she went for a loan which is 50k, 50,000. Yes, 50,000. Old Ghana cedi 5 billion. Yeah, we covered 50,000 among the boys and the boyfriend travel to USA. So after the boy traveled to USA, no call USA no. Wakunya may be acting now. He has blocked like what block a girl no. Wow, no call the Facebook maybe our block it. Was in the TikTok name you can know you so old one. Was something say a young Dawn. Yeah, young Dawn. And girl no who na yeah, I didn't know like what's up. I didn't know boy we are go full loan and everything because on any date or expect to say what call about you or call brother and so wow him or the fun on so I can one, but it wasn't like that. Crack. Boy you could do up and he has do you know something? The guy is also doing or the vibes since he said Chuni Jonas Yeno. Aha, yeah, glass and quan. So then vibes nibi. We as you go reach the USA there no he or blocking you on the cry. So girl need to me. So this the video that the girl did. So let's go and watch the video and come back.
It's an reality. James, it is an out. Ubebe sapa na yewo. Me some many free na me bread. Nurse need to send me. Ben ko jiska chuchu dia for mount. Never to kwine. And then dear as that would be me. Uko di what block him what number on social media. What block him, what block him WhatsApp. What block him baby me who. I mean what's so ding. Every James, and I call young Dawn. Hey, this is out here. It's a my own bonnet. What about me? You catch me?
Boy, no, a fucking boy.
Anna, bro. Now, what is miracle? Bobby Sion. Is it mean nephew?
One, boy, no, a fucking boy. I put me first time going to bed here. I'm say you a John boy.
Debut. Shall I make someone shot? They may pay for one say. From me, see, come on me. And that's sad. The best zone. They just 2 days.
50,000 Ghana.
2 days. So what see come Mia?
So when the girl did this video, no, the boy has also come out, yeah, because boy no so ako video no. The boy has replied to the girl. Yeah, what reply? You let's go watch the reply and come back.
This is I'm gonna show the but see about when I say my ear in a can say me for the back to Ghana. We might dinner. Huh? But I want to Ghana when I'm cross someone. We are Jimmy no Ghana ma. Huh? Yes, you can see a baby dinner. Says a maybe fancy camera. Yes, sir. But we go with the other and they'll be. Sure. That may say, oh. If you are not correct, enter you correct, can say. I put no crane room if you can. Endru baby mame ekom de waja jimi no kofa papa na me wo Ghana ho no na agegene de eye ndomi mame anwumre bia no sa papa no ho na kokko giska no wate eme gina bigu ho anu ma so internet ne se ye kan say yondo atwe wadi na mame ja jimi no wate se won oba me twakere o tama mpenam di no itimi dia na afono me entwie ba asia mi ni etwefo asia bi ba ami shows eneba wuri no nkyerɛ ma entwie ti one ma melody melody yan kurasi sem ne mamma emekasa bi we kurasi ni ba atena Ghana ma we don kurasi sem na wo kwasia wo mete Ghana ona nyɛ mmem asem kwa na yegu me so o enye nkrofo di ana wo de abele mama me nso di yan kurasi sem ma me mekasa bi kurasi ni ba sia sem me ma gudura na ja na wo mame kamfa kurasi sem ko talent mo bi amani attention wa jimero do ogun ho ani man so internet o twabo so fa koma image phone bu Ghana na yi phone kwasi afone kom di o ma from phone ni ma ni chance asia ba ba tell me nya free time I want to me my action and me release stress the free time you na lo wa bu sem ana
Okay, so that was the boy's reply. Yeah, the boy was just insulting the girl, like left, right. I mean, now we're low budget children, so low budget children, crack. Now what the boy they do is say, cry, me cry, my one. What the work could do on my age, you may be not paying 50,000 per month now. Assembly and finance and quay. But why will you go to the extent of going to insult the girl and all those stuff? So girl na ya like it has pain the girl no say nah baby me ma for me kwasia umbu me kwasia kra so like otwen pa so I'm say you are in June July so she only told when it's rain no then it's like she went to sit in the water then started kissing the boy left right center back or to two man back and forth so you let's go watch that video and come back.
It's magic, 50,000 Ghana cedis. 50,000 Ghana cedis. And yeah, who could do you as a blocking the baby? What is your what? You bet say 2 million baby. And I understand.
So that was the video I was talking about. So after girl this case video and like it has been trending online TikTok or then the boy has come back again. Young Don Wambam Bidiagro. So it's like the young Don was doing his normal warm-up, and then he addressed the issue. This is what he said.
Yes. Charlie. And I'm in internet transfer and go say. Kurasini banasa can who you? Yasigan have a body outside there. But couldn't see Gantigan have a body at you to us. I can't say, don't have a night by cute melody. Hey, Mammy, ya Jimmy Watts, young Pras Samuel. I just saw my culture. We are Prasini ba Untu Pandantina Ujimino. And make Jimmy Jimo internet to the studio. Why am I so in Prasini about the answer? Jale cancer will be a mono that be any. Cancer, a mono that be any. I saw only to the clump for be any. Ah, will be on your clump for. Be any one. Kagana can see your boy and I come out of our in Apple. Ah. Jale a cigar of a body and so Obama will come in. Obama, you have to me. And I meant to again, it's a. If you are born in Guru, I be out there. Can be a bono, are you playing with your can say? I put on the plan and Tiana of Guru. Jale, Groman, so be away, be any a king area. Garan says, and be any. So,
okay, so guys, that was the video. Do you think the guy is right? Do you think the girl is right? You see, this is some of the things that the boys they do that Emma just need resiba no, because Obeka all of a broke boy they all work things together now later or be like girl not for from. So don't even go for the rich boys move. It's me as I'm resibo bass in my broke boys now. You're fine. Crack. So guys, what do you think? Do you think the guy is right? Do you think the boy is right? Tell me something about it. Okay, under the comment section. I'll leave all the videos to the TikTok and everything under the comment section or the description. So you check it out. Okay, watch more videos on Anaya Prince. Tell somebody about Anaya Prince. Before you go, make sure you have subscribed, you have liked, you have commented, and you have told somebody about Anaya Prince. Till we meet again, it's a bye. Adios.